What's going on, people? We're back again with another Yeezy Day review video, and today we've got the final shoe that we copped, and that is the Yeezy Foam Runner in this Vermilion red colorway. Let's get straight into the video. Now, I wasn't expecting these to drop in the early mornings, but yeah, this was a very random shoe that released. I didn't even see it on the loaded up page. It was like some secret button you had to push on one of the foam runners. I think it was the Onyx one or something. I don't even know how I managed to cop a pair of these. These were really limited, I think, at the end of the day. And yeah, it managed to hit my size, so I'm very happy. So people, we're just gonna go straight into the materials of this shoe now. Not much to really talk about when it comes to the materials, because the shoe is basically just made out of one piece of foam. It's literally just made out of one piece of foam, and that is pretty much all there is to it when it comes to the materials of this shoe. That's probably going to be the quickest review I've done the materials on this channel. And when it comes to the sizing for me on this shoe, it is a half a size up. I went, yeah, it's a UK and US 10. So go up half a size if you're like a 8.5, 9.5. Half a size up if you're true size 9. I'd say probably go for your true size or half a size up, but well, a full size up. I don't know, it's confusing. I don't really know what to say when it comes to that. But the Foam Runner is probably one of the most comfiest shoes Yeezy's come out with, alongside the slides. When it comes to the fit, I'd say the Foam Runner is definitely one of the most comfortable Yeezys that are out there at the moment. This and the slides, I pretty much wear them every day, and my other shoes have pretty much been pushed to the side now when it comes to just ease of use and just quickness. I mean, I'm just a very efficient guy when it comes to stuff. I like to just go in and out of places, just be quick, get the job done, whatever. Foams, my Onyx foams, I wear them all the time, along with like the slides as well. And they're just easy to get on, easy to get off. I mean, I'm wearing my slides pretty much now as I'm filming this video, so it just shows that the shoes are just comfortable and just easy to wear. The price of this shoe as well, guys, it cost me £75 retail. And yeah, I'm very happy with that price. It's cheap, it's nothing expensive to make. It's just one piece of foam, literally. Can't complain about that. But anyway, guys, I've gone over the price, I've gone over the fit, and I've gone over the material of the shoe. So I'm gonna throw these on foot for you guys, and hopefully you enjoy the rest of the video. And if you did, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the team. I'll see you guys in a bit.